Guess where we're going to go?
Yeah.
We're going to go outside and look at, try to work on the lawnmower a little bit. All right, let's go outside. We're going to go outside, see if we can get the lawnmower to start.
Yeah.
You got to move around some things.
And it's not working. We got to hold it up, right? Yeah, we got that. Right.
Right.
It's
Okay. Yeah, it's muddy over here. Yeah, we got to go try the lawnmower. I think because it's been sitting here, the battery needs to be recharged. Yeah?
Yeah.
And look at this big hole here, Harrison.
What?
We're going to have to fix this, huh? Look at that.
What happened?
Oh, it's just coming apart because it's been used so much.
Is it going to be okay?
Yeah, we'll fix it. But we're not going to use this today, so we don't need to worry. I'm going to take it off, I think, for now.
Daddy?
Wow, that's a big stick.
I'm breaking it.
You're breaking the ice? That's working. Alright, let's see if this guy is ready to start. Alright, you want to see if this lawnmower works?
Yeah, you did the work.
I don't know if the battery is charged up.
Yeah, I have to take that out, right?
Let's see. Hold on.
No, don't turn it on.
Well, I just need to see if it works. Okay, come on, let's see. Oh, it made a noise. So maybe the battery's okay. Let's try to take it out.
Yeah, we got to take.
All right. So we can't get this one started, huh, Harrison? This one's it starts and then it stops. But this one, it does work. I'm going to get it out of the water here. Let's go over on the ice. Whoa.
Daddy?
Yeah?
I'm going real ice away with it.
You're going to clear the ice away with that?
Yeah, I got two. I got to put it down.
You got to take off your backpack leaf blower. Be careful, leave it on the, yeah, leave it up there. I don't know if it likes the ice. Oh, this is slippery here, Harrison. Are you going to come help break it so we can try to use the lawnmower, or?
Yeah.
Go on the stick?
Yeah. Really?
I don't know if it likes that stick. Let's see if it has anything in here now. Oh, there's some grass. I don't know if that's old or new, but it has some grass in there, Harrison.
Hey, Marty.
Yeah, come over here.
I know it.
See, there's grass in there. You want to try pushing it? All right.
I got that. How to turn it on?
You hold those. There you go. Oh, it's stuck on the stick. There it goes. Okay, wait until it starts. There you go. Is it working?
Yeah. Daddy.
You know what, Harrison? Maybe it's not the best idea to try to use the lawnmower in the winter.
Maybe a backpack leaf blower.
You want to go try the backpack leaf blower?
Yeah, you want to do it too?
I have one too, right?
Yeah, I just do both of them.
All right, let's go see.
Daddy. Oh, I'm not one here. No, really, Dad. I'm not one here. No, really, Dad. Really, no, no.
All right, well let's hope not. Okay, you got yours, I got mine. Oop, here. All right, yours works.
Yeah, no, definitely.
Harrison, where's your backpack leaf blower?
What?
Where's your backpack leaf blower?
Oh, yeah.
You gonna wear it?
No, hold on, not time. My power.
What, you're all done working with the tools?